Hello everybody, this is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to talk about the intellibeam system in the 2020 Chevrolet Equinox LT. So this particular Equinox that we are in is equipped with the intellibeam headlight system, and the way that works is the system only activates the high beams when you're driving over 25 miles an hour. Super simple to use. Now it does have to be dark outside for this system to work and to operate the controls. So for today's purpose, I'm just going to show you how to operate it, and we'll just imagine that it's dark outside. Super simple to do. So right here on your indicator switch, you see the A with the headlight symbol. So just simply press that button. Now it's really hard to see it or hard to kind of explain it at night, but you will see in the driver information screen that it has been activated. And the blue light will come on when it detects that the headlights are needed to be on the bright setting. Now if it's just in your normal setting that the vehicle detects that it needs to be in, you won't see that high beam indicator on there. So if you have any questions or need help operating that system, we are here at McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Give us a call at 903-845-2132.